Uso ngayon, Ube Cheese Pandesal. Pero gumawa ako ng sarili kong version, Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Tara, tuturo ko sa inyo step by step paano gawin. Come on, join me! Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Hi, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Today, meron na naman ako ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede nyo ihanda sa inyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Parang bago. Tara na, sumahan nyo ako. Ituturo ko sa inyo step by step paano gumawa ng Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Madali lang mga sangkap, napakasimpleng gawin. Kaya baking time with Kuya PANDISOY. Tara! Tara! Halika, samahan nyo ako at ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Unang-una, kailangan natin ng bread flour. And we need also powder milk or milk powder. Kailangan rin natin ng sugar. And we also need instant yeast. At para sa ating flavoring, kailangan natin ng kamote halaya. At naglalagay din ako ng vanilla essence. And to add flavor and color, naglalagay din ako ng purple yam flavoring. We need salt, egg, shortening, we need lard, and then we need water. Para naman sa ating fillings, we need sliced cheese. And then we also need kamote halaya. And to top it all, we also need breadcrumbs. Okay, yan na po ang kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Check our description box below para sa complete list of ingredients. Okay, we are ready. Okay, ang ating first step, sa ating mixing bowl, kailangan na nating ilagay ang ating bread flour. Alright? Okay, we'll just mix it, and then we just add on our instant yeast. Okay, just spread it out, and then mix it. At isunod natin sa paglagay ang ating milk powder o ating powdered milk. Okay, we'll just mix it up. And in the middle sa ating flour mixture, maglagay lang po tayo ng butas para maisunod nating ilagay ang ating water. And then we'll just add on our water in the middle. And then next na ilagay natin ang ating sugar. Alright. Alright, looks good. Okay, next na ilagay natin ang ating salt. Alright, you just add on. And then we just add on our vanilla essence. Alright. And then, ang susunod na po natin na ilagay ang ating Ube flavoring. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. And then we'll just add on our 1 piece of egg. Looks good. So, kailangan na po nating haluin para ma-dissolve ang ating sugar, ang ating salt, and then para ma-mix po ang ating mga sangkap. Alright. And then later on, we'll just add on our kamote halaya para sa ating flavoring. Ayan. Okay. And then, we just mix it. Alright. Looks like na-dissolve na po natin ang ating kamote halaya and ang ating sugar, ang ating salt. So, ihalo na po natin ang ating flour sa gilid. Yeah. Alright. Looks good. Hope you guys are enjoying with me. Okay, kailangan lang ng continuous na paghahalo para po ma-mix ang ating flour sa ating mixture. Okay, pag ganyan na po ang inyong mixture, idagdag na po natin ang ating shortening, ang ating lard. At kailangan lang natin ng continuous na paghahalo, continuous na mixture sa ating dough. And then as a reminder to everyone na before natin gawin ito, kailangan malinis ang ating kamay. Naghugas po tayo natin ng mga kamay para kasi mamaya masang kamay po tayo. Ayan, looks good ang ating dough. At pag kailangan nyo lang po magdagdag ng extra na flour, kasi minsan po may mga flour na medyo matakaw sa tubig, may mga flour din naman na medyo hindi uhaw sa tubig. So, ayan, katulad nito, kailangan ko lang magdagdag ng konting flour. So, you just dust in at huwag kayong matakot na magdagdag ng extra na flour if needed or if kailangan din ng extra na water pag masyadong dry ang inyong dough. Okay, kailangan lang ng continuous na pagmamasa or ang kneading time nito will take about 6 to 10 minutes. Depende po sa pwersa na nilalagay ninyo sa inyong dough. Okay? At para mas mapakinis natin ang ating dough, so ilagay natin at ililipat natin sa ating dough mat. And kailangan nating ilagyan ng flour ang ating dough mat para hindi po dumikit ang ating dough. Okay? Alright. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. After about 10 minutes ng ating pagmamasa or ating pagninid ng ating dough, ganito na pong itsura ng ating dough. Okay? Kinis na siya at pwede na po nating iparest ang ating dough for 30 minutes. But before that, kailangan lang po natin lagyan ng oil or butter or lard para po hindi magkulubot-kulubot ang ating dough. Okay, ganito na po ang itsura ninyong dough. Hindi na po na siya naghiwalay. Ayan, ready na po siyang iparest natin. We just let it rest for about 30 minutes. Okay? Balik po natin sa ating mixing bowl para po maparest po natin na maayos ang ating dough. Okay, look at that. Looks good. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Ito po yung ating mixing bowl. I-rest lang po natin ang ating dough. Right? We just leave it there for 30 minutes. Takpan lang po natin ng malinis na plastic or cloth or if you have extra towel, basta malinis po. Okay? Alright. Okay, at this point, papahiran na po natin ang ating mga baking pans na ating gagamitin. Papahiran natin ng oil, butter, margarine, or anything that you have. Okay? Okay, after 30 minutes of resting, ganyan na po ang itsura ng ating dough. Nakatubo na po ang ating dough and mas malambot na po ang ating dough. Kailangan lang po nating i-press, silpisilin para po matanggal ang excess na hangin. And wow, look at that. Wow, looks good and smells good. Alright. Okay, and at this point, ikakat po natin sa desired na size na gusto po natin. And then, mamaya-maya po ay atin na pong titimbangin ang ating dough. Ayan, matapos ko na pong timbangin ang ating dough and ready na po para lagyan po ng ating fillings ang ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Ilalagay po natin ating cheese at ang ating Camote Halaya. And then, i-close lang po both ends. Okay? Make sure na masarado po lahat and ilalock po ang lahat. Ilalock in po ang buong part ng inyong dough. Okay? And then, iro-roll lang po ng ganyan. Right. And then, ibabad lang po natin sa ating breadcrumbs. Okay. Right. Okay. At ganyan na po ang itsura ng inyong Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. pagkatapos po natin lagyan ng ating fillings, ang ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal, yan, tatakpan na po natin ulit ng clean na plastic or anything na clean na cloth na pwede natin itakip. Right? And then we will just let it rest again for about 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. About 1 hour and 30 minutes, hintayin ko lang po na mag-double size yung pong ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. And then, 10 minutes before, magpipreheat na po ako ng aking oven ng 180 Celsius. Okay? Ang aking baking time will took about 15 to 18 minutes only. Ayan, nakasalang na po ang ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. And see you after 18 minutes. Alright! After 18 minutes, ayan na po ang ating freshly baked Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Okay, tingnan po natin ang ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Ayan, mainit-init pa. And look at that! Wow, so yummy! Sobrang cheesy at sobrang bango. And sobrang soft po ang ating Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Look at that. Wow, so yummy. I can't wait to taste this. Right. Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Let's try this. Come on. So yummy! Sarap! The best in the world! Ube Camote Cheese Pandesal. Again, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you get something and learn something from this video guide. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please subscribe and do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming video. Wherever you are right now, always keep safe and always remember to give your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. And always remember na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. See you in my next video. Love ya, bye! This is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY. Welcome to my channel. This is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY, and welcome to my channel.